Hi everyone. So today I'd like to talk about something what is a continuation of our yesterday's talk, and that would be a little caption I've put there that we need to allow the process to happen. So what do I mean by that? Our higher self knows exactly what to do. It wants to experience through my vessel, through this extension of its own, it wants to experience some things. Same with you. And this is like the divine plan, right? Our higher self knows exactly what to do to achieve this experience. In the history, we went through a huge turmoil, a huge struggle. We, as a species, as humanity, we needed to go through certain experiences. We need to suffer. We need to understand what suffering means. We needed to understand what does it take to really grab our own spirit and to really become our own master. For that, we needed to understand what we are not. What is the illusion? And we were successful. And that ended in 2012, and we started to shift. The ball was formed and started to move slowly. Very slowly at first, but the movement is exponential. And now it's not flat anymore. Since COVID, it started to move very rapidly. 2012, that was not just a date, but it all started there. Actually, it started in 1987, but that's another story and another topic. Tell me if you're interested in that. We are moving very rapidly into the new era of abundance, of Eden. And the thing is that now our dreams will be all fulfilled. They actually are already fulfilled. We just need to align with them. Before, there were the bad influences. The main focus was on ego, was on the mind. So we were able to achieve our dreams through the power of will and through pushing, really like hard pushing. And if we really wanted something, we went for it and we achieved that using the energy of manifestation to manifest what wasn't actually good for us as a humanity. It was pleasant just for some, but that was all part of the way, and it needed to be like that because we needed to learn how that works, how the illusion works. But now we are entering a new era where all this old just drops. It's not here anymore. It is not here. Outside the politics and how things work in the society, I'm not going there. But that's just a reflection. That's just a reflection of how we still choose to perceive the reality, our own reality. It's just the reflection, the projection of our own remnants of the old. So now we are entering the new era, and that is a realm of our higher selves, which knows exactly what it wants to experience through us as the most wonderful, happiest, and fulfilling experiences we would love to experience, because we are our higher selves. We just need to allow that to happen. And what do I mean by allowing it? From the old paradigm, we needed to push through, push hard. Now it works differently. Now it is about us actually stepping aside, letting our higher self to express through us to get things done. It's not for us like lying on the couch and just let our higher self do the work. but it's about inspired action. When you feel the excitement, when you feel something inside, is like, wow, yeah, I want to do that. Yes, like go for it. Because that's the inspired action. That's the impulse from your higher self to go and do something. It's not anymore driven through some vision which is based on the mind, like oh, I need that money, I need that security, I need to protect myself. This is actually about us letting happen whatever needs to happen, and our higher self is directing it. So whenever you feel inspired, just go for it. And these are the necessary steps for you to achieve your dreams. And when there is struggle in your mind, oh, I don't know, should I, and so on, go into your body. If there is something occurring, some feeling which is not pleasant, just go there and observe it. Don't put any labels on it. That's very important for us to understand and to learn. Not putting labels on our feelings, but rather just observing them. What's inside? Just be with them. Just sit with them and just, okay, this will change, because it will. That's a very powerful technique. This will change. Everything changes. That's the main constant of the universe. Change. If you had some feeling when you were a little kid, do you still have that feeling? No, it changed. So the same happens like on everyday basis. Everything changes all the time. Every moment there is a change. Yeah, so I think I said everything for today. And if you will, please like the video and maybe put down something for me to read, so I have a feedback from you to even get better and to expand the channel. And thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Take care. Bye.